A young taekwondo player is on the rise after snatching a gold medal in a competition in Palawan. And she said her secret weapon is none other than her Paralympian father, who inspires her to always be better. Mobile journalist Denise Valdesancho with that report.
Gold is in the genes. At just 16 years old, Riza Huxley Mangliwan is already making waves in Philippine sports after capturing her first gold medal in the junior female flyweight division at the recently held Batang Pinoy in Puerto Princesa, Palawan. Being the daughter of three-time Paralympian Gerald Pete Mangliwan, Riza's second Batang Pinoy stint just goes to show that the heart of a champion runs deep in her veins. As they say, start them young.
Nung mga bata pa po kasi kami nun, parang inas po kami ni Papa kung gusto nga daw po naming ma-engage dun sa sport po na yun. And
what started as a hobby eventually grew into a passion.
Parang sabi ko, ay, gusto ko tong sports na to. Sige, i-ano ko po siya, pagpapatuloy ko po.
Growing up with a father as a Paralympian, Riza became no stranger to sacrifice, discipline, and the grit it takes to succeed.
Na-inspire nga po ako kay Papa nga po kasi nakakapunta po siya ng ibang bansa para mag-compete po. Parang, sabi ko, gusto ko rin mag-compete sa ibang bansa, kaya.
With her father as both a coach and cheerleader, Riza has learned to balance her studies and her passion for sports.
Mahirap po siya kasi pag umaga, school, tapos hapon po, training.
Her father's constant reminder to her,
yung sakripisyo na ginagawa nyo, may kapalit naman palagi yan eh.
Now a grade 11 STEM student, Riza not only wishes to pursue taekwondo in the Olympics, but also to become a doctor someday. And for her father, it's always about taking it one step at a time.
Bago ko naman narating yung kung saan man yung ano ko ngayon is talagang yung foundation talagang inayos yan eh. Kumbaga bilang atleta yun ang pinakaano talaga yung foundation mo eh. Kasi alam ko naman talaga ng competition yan talaga hindi naman yan ganun eh. So importante lang sa akin is they make it to the universities or colleges para magkaroon ng scholarship. Okay na po sa akin yun.
With the right mindset and her family support, Riza is ready to kick her way to greatness. Mobile journalist Denise Valdesancho. We are One News.